I'm Savindapuri and I'm a DevOps evangelist. I'm passionate about helping enterprises across verticals solve business problems based off technology solutions. I'm also the author of How Do I Build a Career in DevOps, a practical handbook to help you start or scale up your DevOps career. Join me on Thursday, the 1st of September 2022, as I'll be hosting a good e-learnings webinar titled Doing DevOps It's Different Than Doing DevOps at Scale. Learn how to do it right. You should attend this 45 minutes webinar if you're a C-level person and want to hear strategies on how others have successfully delivered DevOps transformation programs. If you're a senior executive and you want to build a business case for DevOps within your organizations. If you are a technologist and are interested in learning from the mistakes of others. Or if you're toying with the idea of DevOps and want to learn from some fascinating in the trenches stories. Or even if you're not in DevOps, but you're very intrigued and potentially want to move into this area. You will also get an opportunity to ask me questions in an exclusive Q&A session at the end of the webinar. Do not miss this chance to gain an in-depth insight. Click on the link and register for free today.